at the airport.
May I see your passport and boarding pass?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for a business trip. I have a conference to attend.
How long will you be staying in the UK?
I will be here for 5 days.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. Where will you be staying during your visit?
I will be staying at the City View Hotel downtown.
Have you visited our country before?
No, this is my first time.
Are you carrying any fruits, vegetables, meat, or other restricted items?
No, I am not. Just personal belongings. And some business documents.
Do you have any items to declare?
No, I don't.
Great. Everything seems to be in order. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Next, please. Excuse me, can I talk to you for a moment? Excuse me, can I talk to you for a moment?
Of course, is everything okay?
Well, I ordered a cappuccino. But I think this is a latte.
Oh no, I'm so sorry about that. Let me check your order.
Sure.
You're right. It says cappuccino here, I must have made mistake. I will fix it right away.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Would you like the cappuccino to be extra hot, or with any special milk?
No, just a regular cappuccino, please.
Here you go, a fresh cappuccino. I'm really sorry for the mix-up.
That's okay, mistakes happen.
Would you like a small cookie on the house as an apology?
Oh, that's very kind of you. Thank you.
You are welcome. I hope you enjoy your coffee.
I'm sure I will, thanks again.
Have a great day.
You too.
I hope this video helped you to learn English. If you think this video helped you to learn English, then let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to follow and share my page. Love you guys all. Thanks.